Hi, my name is Liam, Campaign Marketing Manager here at Cognism. We asked Tom Bangay, Director of Content at Duro, for his top 5 content marketing tips so you can use content to close deals. In this video, I'm going to go through choosing your content wisely. In business, as is in life, everyone is different. Everyone responds to content in different ways. Some people love videos, for example, while others prefer good old-fashioned text-based content. So you have to choose the types of content you produce wisely. How can you make informed decisions around content? The first step is to go back to your buyer persona. What do they tell you about your target prospect? What kinds of content do they typically enjoy? Use the insights to prepare a content plan for each prospect. Bear in mind, though, that people will be looking to engage with different types of content throughout their buyer's journey with your brand. At the awareness stage, short-form, top-of-funnel content is best. Prospects might only have the appetite for long-form content when they reach the decision stage. LinkedIn Marketing Labs has identified that on average, buyers consume 10 pieces of content before making a purchasing decision.